All right, welcome back. We're gonna do another problem about linear functions and slopes. All right, let's do it. This is from the Alex platform. Okay, the problem says find the slope of the line passing through the points -3, -8, and 5, 6. Okay, so let's do it step by step, as nice as we can. Okay, so we're gonna annotate. We're gonna write it here with blue ink. And we first remember the formula for the slope. The slope is defined as y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Sometimes we can call the numerator delta y and the bottom of the fraction delta x, but we don't have to get that mathematical yet. What we do have to identify is that the first coordinates belong to point 1, okay? And the second pair belongs to point number 2. So I'm going to do it step by step. Point 1 has coordinates -3, -8, and point number 2 has coordinates 5, 6. Okay, we know that always the first coordinate is the x coordinate and the second one is the y. That's why we call it an ordered pair. It's always in order. All right, now for the first point we're going to call it x1 and y1. For the second point, this is going to be x2 and y2. So now we substitute into the formula y2 is this 6 right here, so we have a 6. Then the minus from the formula. Be careful with the signs. Signs can make the rocket explode and fall down, right? So the minus from the formula, and then the value of y1. The value of y1 is -8. So I must open a parenthesis. I must open a parenthesis and indicate the value of -8. In the next step, this will become a plus, right? But not yet. Now, in the bottom of the fraction, I have x2. It's this number here. It's 5. Okay. The minus from the formula. And then the value of x1 is -3. So again, we open a parenthesis, -3. Okay. So now we evaluate, we do the operation, all right? We say 6. Then when you have -8, that's going to be +8. Okay, be careful with the signs. 5 -3, that's +3. How much is 6 + 8? I think that's 14. And 5 + 3 is 8. Okay. Now we always want to you want to leave the slope as a fraction. Okay, you don't want an integer or a mixed fraction or anything creative. But what we do want is to simplify. If you take half of the top, it's 7. Half of the bottom, it's 4. So the result will be 7/4. Let's type it and see if it's correct. If it's not correct, we cry a little. Okay. So top of the fraction, 7. Bottom of the fraction, 4. Yes, it's correct. All right. Thank you so much. See you later.